Don't love birds because they're pretty. Love them because they're awesome. Take the hummingbird. It weighs less than a book of matches, yet can fly across the Gulf of Mexico without stopping. And it can do things in the air that our best pilots can only dream about. The Laysan albatross leaves its nest and flies out over the ocean, not touching land again for up to 5 years. In its lifetime, it will fly the equivalent of 3 trips to the moon and back. You want to be a bird, but not because they're pretty, but because they're awesome.